What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. There is something really surprising on social media right now. If you go to Zandile Khumalo's Instagram page and go to the people that she is following, so in Instagram is this way of searching the people that somebody else is following. And if you search Kili Khumalo, you cannot find her. So Zandile Khumalo unfollowed her sister for some weird reason that we just don't know right now. And it's really surprising that Zandile Khumalo would actually not follow her own sister. And guess what? Surprise, surprise. Kelly Khumalo also is not even following Zandile Khumalo. So what's going on? Could there surely be something that happened between the two sisters in relation to the Senzo Meyiwa trial about something that Zandile Khumalo confessed about at the trial? And maybe Kelly Khumalo's time to confess is going to come, and she might throw her own sister back under the bus and come up with a different version. It's not yet clear at the moment, but what is clear from what we can see there is that there seems to be bad blood for now between these two sisters. Because, like, why would they unfollow each other? So, this is some kind of social media divorce that we are seeing here. So if you are to go with some theories right here, maybe conscience is slowly knocking into their heads, and one of them is bound to open up one day and actually reveal what happened inside the house. Because the truth in itself, it can only be hidden for a short period of time, but it would definitely come out. And one of them is like, I'm tired. I have to let this off my chest. I just have to say it. But the other one will be like, come on, this is what I said. If you go out there and speak the truth, then what is going to happen to my statement that I spoke? It's going to appear as if I've lied and I tried to defeat the ends of justice. So I'm going to be arrested. Oh, that's when these breakups, these social media divorces then happen, because you would have like been there for each other in the past with lies being covered up, but now the truth is now coming out, and that foundation that you had before, it's breaking away. So this is what is happening. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.